Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Trike runs well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with an LED headlight, smoked front turn signal lenses, lower wind deflectors, an aftermarket seat, fender pouches, rear fender rails, rear fender trim, a bumper, tour pack, and a lighted windshield. From Harley, it comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system as well as reverse. With its hardy performance, distinct batwing fairing, and rider comfort, the Street Glide has been an iconic favorite to Harley riders for years. The Street Glide Trike is no different, offering everything the standard Street Glide offers on the stability of 3 wheels. This factory trike is powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor that puts 102 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,071 pounds and has a 28.4 inch seat height. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.